Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at creating and uploading videos to a YouTube channel and how you can manage the content that you share on your YouTube channel. So hopefully you can incorporate this inside your Canvas learning management system or your Google Classroom learning management system. Let's take a look. So as you can see, I opened up YouTube.com right here. Very simple. It pulled up the home screen. Here's what you're going to have to do to create yourself an account. In the top right corner, you should be able to see a sign in tab where it says sign in if you don't already have an account. Since I already have an account, I'm going to switch accounts and show you how to add an account. So first it's going to ask you for your email address. And it cannot be your school email address because Google doesn't allow us to use the ones that end at alcornschools.org. You need to use a personal email address. And for the purpose of Google, it needs to be a Gmail account. So if you don't have one, you can create one very simple. It's easy. Just go to creategmail.com and you should be able to create your account there. But make sure you're using a Gmail account. So here's mine. And of course it'll ask you to create your password. And then it should ask you a couple more questions about how you want to manage your systems, this, that, the other. But once that's all out of the way, 2 or 3 steps, you should be able to create your account fairly easily from there. So then once you've created your account and you've logged in, your sign in is right here. You'll see this button with it's a video camera and it's got the plus sign in it. It says create a video and more. So after the 24-hour period has passed, once you've created your account, you'll be able to go live to YouTube if you want to do that. Maybe you want to tell your students we're going to go live for a lesson and I'm going to teach that lesson via YouTube Live. But maybe you just want to upload a video. So we're going to show you how to upload a video. So I selected the Upload Video tab, and now it's going to ask me to select a file. If you're using your computer, the file that you need to have downloaded needs to be somewhere in your Documents section, somewhere in your Download section. If you have a video, however you have your content set up on your computer, you just need to know where the video is. And it needs to be a proper format. If it's on your computer, I recommend a MP4. That's probably going to be the easiest and possibly your only way to upload the video. So make sure that's happening before you get to YouTube. You can also do it off your phone. If you have recorded something on your phone and you're using the YouTube app off your phone or your iPad or any kind of tablet, you can also just pull it straight from the photos section from that device and you can upload it that way. But if you're on your computer, you have to do it by the MP4. So we're going to select the file, and I'm going to go over here to my downloads, and I've got to find a video. I'm going to upload Chrome extensions. I'm going to open that. Okay, so now it has gotten me to the point where I get to name and sort of detail the video that I've uploaded. So yes, my title is going to be Chrome extensions. I already had it named, so it will just swap over. And then this video shows how to utilize Chrome extensions. So just as simple as that. However you need to name it. Maybe you're doing a lesson on fractions, or maybe you're doing a lesson on diagramming a sentence. Name it however you need to. Give a small description so people can see that. So thumbnail. A thumbnail is simply just what shows up for your video. What the people will see when they pull up YouTube, what they'll see the video looks like. You can customize that. If you have a photo you want to put on there, you can upload that photo. You can take a section of the video somewhere. You can just play around with that feature. If you don't select your own, YouTube just automatically selects one for you, so that should work as well. And then playlists, if you're wanting to create a playlist where you've got multiple videos of the same style content, you can do that. So if you're teaching one big unit and you're doing several different sections, maybe create a playlist about that unit, and then inside that playlist are the different videos of that section. And then of course, if you're making this for the kids, if not for kids, you can also select that. So mine, it's not made specifically for kids, but people can still view that. Obviously my age restriction, anyone can view that as well. And there are more options if you need, if you want to tag people in there. Make sure you select the right languages, where you recorded it, what kind of category this is. This is education, so you can go through there and you can select all those things. Now here's the important one to me. As we manage our school district page, we encourage people to like it. We encourage people to subscribe and to share our videos. But just for the sake of keeping everything civil, we turn off our comments. So you can do that where people can't comment on their videos. So you can allow comments, disable comments. or just for people that follow you and things like that. So we disabled comments here. And there is also, it says show how many viewers. Yes. So we're going to click next here. And there are some things you can add in there. I'm not going to show you those things because that's just sort of personal preference there. But you can add an end screen, or you can add cards if you're trying to promote a separate video somewhere else in your YouTube channel. Now here's the important thing, visibility. If you are just creating these videos to upload to YouTube so you can post that to your Canvas or Google Classroom, and you don't want other people to see it, then you want to make sure that you have unlisted. That means you've created a link to the video. It exists on YouTube, but people can't search for it. So if you don't want people to be able to search for it, unlist it. It'll save that link. You can post that link in your Canvas or your Google Classroom, and your students will be able to see it. And when you share the link, we'll be able to go watch that video. But any random person on YouTube won't be able to find it if they go to search. But of course, if you put it public, anyone can find it. And if you put it private, only the people that you choose to see your video can. So you would have to share that inside YouTube. So some of the videos that we create, we unlist just because we only want certain people to be able to get that information. It's not public. And some of them that are public. If you visit the Alcorn School District YouTube page, you should be able to see what's public. Those videos that we shared with you through email, you should be able to see that those videos are available for anyone to search and anyone to use, because we're here to help everyone. So this video in specific, I would like to make public. I would like people to understand what good Chrome extensions are and how to use them. And if you want to select the date and time to publish your videos, maybe you're doing them all one day and you're planning on separating your sections into multiple weeks, you can decide when you want that video to be published. Today I just want mine to go straight out to YouTube. So I'm just going to allow that. And then it's as simple as it's created. It should have uploaded. All of your video elements should be there. And now you just simply publish your video. And it might take a few seconds for it to get through, and then it gives you the option, do you want to share it to Facebook, Twitter? You know, there's all different kinds of options where you can share those links to your students, or maybe to your parents, or to your social media feeds and things like that. And if you unlisted yours and you're going straight to Canvas or straight to Google Classroom to post it, then I would suggest you go ahead and copy that link. So you can just go straight to your platform, you can post it in there, and then everything will work out fine from there. So it is posted. I'm going to click close, and now I'm going to show you a little bit about how you manage your content inside of the YouTube settings. So as you can see, these are all the videos that I have uploaded to our channel here for the school district. And it shows my videos here if I've created playlists on the side, and it shows the comments and all those things that I could be able to look for. What I want to do is I want to manage the details of a video. So when you see all of your channel videos here, you've got these 5 icons that you can select. And of course, if you hover over them, they'll give you what options you have available there. But I'm going to open the details to this video just so you can see how you can go back and edit parts of how it's being seen, or edit the description or anything like that. So once you've opened it up, you've got your basic video details. Of course, what you named it, the description you've provided for it. Here's where you can go through and fix your details as far as your thumbnails go, changing the different parts to it, or maybe uploading the capture screen of it so people can see that. And then of course you can add any kind of tags. The more options you can go back, maybe you forgot to turn off comments and you want to disable them, you'll go to the more options setting and you'll be able to see all these different features that you can turn on or turn off and change according to how you want your video to look. And then of course you'll make sure that you save those changes and it will upload straight to YouTube. Now when you go to analytics, it shows you how many people have watched it, how long they stayed on there, what's the average reactivity time, and all the different things. So if you've published this and you're expecting all of your students to watch it, you can see how many people have viewed it. And you can see how many people maybe have liked it, how many people have shared it. You know, if anyone has subscribed to your channel itself, this is where you'll find the specific pieces of each and every video that you upload. And yes, there are a few settings that you may want to go in and change of your own. Just some upload defaults, you know, your channel information, you know, adding keywords, descriptions about your channel. So if people come and look at it, they can see what's going on. Maybe you want to put some information to yourself. If you have a Google Classroom link or a Canvas link you want to add in there to send students directly to that, if you want to put your email on there, there are a lot of different options that you can do, just filtering through the settings tabs and some of those default things being changed to better be customized for your usage. But creating a YouTube channel is easy, it's easy to manage, and we hope that it can help you moving forward using Canvas, using Google Classroom, or whatever other systems that you might be using. Hope this helps. Happy streaming.